Transitioning to a plant-based diet has been an enlightening journey filled with numerous lessons and experiences that have transformed the way I view food and nutrition. Initially motivated by health benefits, ethical considerations, and environmental impacts, I quickly learned that this transition was about much more than just changing my meals. The exploration of new recipes, flavors, and nutritional balancing has been a delightful and educational adventure. One of the first challenges I encountered was understanding the new food groups in a plant-based diet. I had to familiarize myself with legumes, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and an array of fruits and vegetables. I discovered that these groups are not just alternatives but provide a wealth of nutrients. For instance, beans and lentils are packed with protein and fiber, while leafy greens offer essential vitamins and minerals. Making this shift required me to research and plan my meals effectively, ensuring that I was receiving a well-rounded intake of nutrients necessary for overall health. Grocery shopping became an exploration of its own. I learned to read labels more carefully, looking for fortified products that provide B12, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids, nutrients often less abundant in a plant-based diet. I also got accustomed to exploring farmers' markets and local stores to find fresh produce that minimizes environmental impact. This new habit not only supports local agriculture but also ensures that I have access to seasonal fruits and vegetables that are often richer in flavor and nutrients. Another significant lesson was the importance of community and support throughout this journey. I found online forums, social media groups, and local meetups where like-minded individuals share recipes, tips, and encouragement. Engaging with this community not only provided motivation but also opened my eyes to diverse ways of enjoying plant-based meals. Additionally, learning from others helped me transition more smoothly, avoiding common pitfalls such as nutrient deficiencies or meal boredom. Finally, I've come to understand that transitioning to a plant-based diet is not all or nothing. It's about making informed choices that align with one's values and lifestyle. I've allowed myself the flexibility to enjoy social gatherings, travel, and even the occasional indulgence, all while steering my home cooking towards healthier, plant-based options. This pragmatic approach has made the transition sustainable and enjoyable, leading to a profound appreciation for the culinary possibilities within a plant-based framework. In conclusion, transitioning to a plant-based diet has been a rich learning experience that extended beyond simply changing my eating habits. It taught me about nutrition, the joys of cooking, the importance of community, and the value of making mindful choices. For anyone considering this lifestyle change, remember that every step counts and that it's okay to grow and adapt at your own pace. Embrace the journey, and enjoy the delicious food along the way.